welcome to week 7 Smart CRM training with Mona Karda, Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. Enjoy. Okay, good morning, everybody. So this week we are going to be covering marketing smart campaigns. So if you go to your left side of your dashboard, you'll see where it says marketing, there's all marketing, and then there's smart campaigns. So we're going to click on smart campaigns. And on smart campaigns, you will see it has 3 categories: My Campaigns, KV Core Library, and templates. Okay, under My Campaigns are my campaigns, the ones that I have either cloned, created, or redone, whatever the case is. Yours will also be the same. KV Core Library will have the 24, is it? Yeah, 24 automated templates that they have created for you. And they cover everything from, open house to sellers to buyers, how to deal with renters, just all of them. These are fantastic, and I highly recommend that you go through them whenever you have some time. Let me just. Sorry. I can't mute this person. Sorry. I'm just trying to mute this. Okay. Yeah, so basically here you can see all of the KV Core library templates. They're really great. They go over what the campaign name is, the campaign description, when to start them, at what level, what point, and who is it designed for? Are they designed for buyers, sellers, renters, all, maybe seller and buyer? And of course, like the channels, like the ways of communication, how many touch points. And then of course, if you prefer that, then you can add it to your library. Sorry, if I can just ask everyone to mute their mics when they enter. Thank you. So you can just add it to your library. So let's pick one. Let's see. The bottom here says starter for buyer leads. So let's go to that one. Let's pick that. And we can click on add to my library. Okay, so we can do actually one of 2 things. We can either view it. By viewing it, we can click on the actual campaign. And you can see it's a 7-day conversation starting campaign for buyer leads. Okay, just move this here. You can clone the campaign by clicking right here, or you can take a look to see what is the campaign about. Is this something that you like? Is this something that you would want to use? So basically here, it'll say minute 3 from the lead entering into KV Core, there will be an instant thank you text. Okay, so the method is a text, and it's going to be from agent to contact. And this is what it's going to read. Now, if you don't like the verbiage, you want to change this, you want it to read something else, I'll show you in just a minute how you can edit that. But you can take a look, minute 4, there's an email now that is sent from agent to contact. And you can take a look here, what the message is. And it may not be the way you would like it to be written, so you can change it around. You don't have to necessarily have 7 points. You don't need to do it on minute 4. You can, whatever you work. But I will tell you one thing: when a lead comes in, it needs to be contacted immediately, either through like a text, email, or a phone call. Like there has to be some type of touch point so that they know that they've been acknowledged for the information that they're requesting. Okay, so when we do ads on Facebook, or we pay for ads on Google, when that lead comes into KV Core, you don't want it to just be lingering there. There's got to be like another touch point on how you want to proceed with that lead, how you want that lead to be contacted. What do they want to know about you as your business, as a real estate agent? What is it that you want to tell them? So take some time, because everyone has their own way of doing things. And everyone has, there's no right, there's no wrong. These are just amazing templates that have been built in for you from KV Core. So why not take advantage of this? But really, you just want to see what works best for you. I know that we've changed a lot in our group. Like, we've changed quite a few of these and made them more customizable to what we like and what we want to promote. So let's say here where it says day 2, make sure property alerts are set up. So you want to ensure that the property alerts under behaviorals are all set up campaign wise. So this is a task that the system is going to tell the agent to do, okay? So that you're aware of it. Sorry, some latecomers. So you can just, go ahead and see what it is that they want you to do. You can do, sorry. You can have attempt phone call. So the system will call the agent and say, okay, you need to call them. They may even call you, KV Core, and they'll say, the number will show up as your smart number. So remember, your smart number is up here. This number will call you and say, hi, this is KV Core. Please press 1 to be connected to your lead. And then we have here, conversation day starter 2, email, agent to contact, and so forth. So now let's say that we, we previewed everything, we're okay with it, we like it, we may want to change a few things. What you can do is you can clone the campaign, or another way of doing it is by clicking add to my library. Okay, so now it's added to your library. You're going to go to my campaigns, and there you go. It's at the bottom. Oh, I might have clicked on it twice. So no, it should be this one. Yeah. So it's here. Now it's going to give me the option to edit. Okay. So when I click edit, I can edit this. I can say, is it going to be, my template is going to be conversation starter. Maybe I want to use this particular email in other campaigns as my minute 4. Okay, so I can add this to other campaigns that I customize myself. Okay, so you can pick that if you like. I can, sorry, I'm not sure why everyone's dropping off and coming back in. Okay. So you can click here as well. You can use it in your template. You can run it immediately depending on how you want to use it. So that's an option for you. If you do not want that line, if you prefer that you don't want to send a text at minute 3 and then another email at minute 4, you can just go ahead and click the X and it will remove that time slot of method and task to perform for that campaign. Okay. If you want to add an action, you can click add by clicking here, and you can pick email, text, task, call, whatever it is that you want to do. You can add that there. Now, let's say, for example, you want to remove the whole campaign. You can just click remove. You must make the campaign active, okay, in order for this to work. So you need to click literally just like that. And it's going to, reassure you, yes, is this what you want to do? You're going to click yes, if you're happy with the way it runs. So I am just going to go back to all my campaigns, and I'm just going to show you something right here. So under the my campaigns, then you have you have your KV Core library. So all of the templates are here. Take some time, go through them. We have some that have touch points up to 29. Okay. They even show you like how to kind of convert a renter into a buyer. So take some time and go through them. The templates are the ones that are already created into KV Core under emails, text messages, calls, tasks, or webhooks. In my situation here, I've created my own templates and I've added those into my own campaign. Okay, so this might be a little bit confusing, but let's go through it. So let's say, for example, okay, here we go. Okay, let's do this one. The smart CRM sessions with Mona. No, I didn't finish that one. Hold on. Objection handling. Okay, so I did this objection handling. Let me show you what this looked like. Edit. Okay. Will it pop up? Yeah. So this was my objection handling that I'm not sure if you guys can see because for some reason it doesn't. There we go. Okay. Objection. Hold on. Let's do preview. In preview mode. Will that make it bigger? Okay. Sorry, guys. In the preview mode, you can see that I did the 7 steps of objection handling. We held a, what was it, like a Zoom presentation on it. It was in the evening. So we spoke about what the 7 steps of objection handling is. Actually, Rick did the presentation. It was fantastic. I got a lot of feedback. So I created this template. And I created this template to invite my agents onto this. So basically, I just wrote like a little email, letting them know, you know, what it is, what date it is. And I wrote here, if you're interested, please RSVP yes, with my phone number, with my social media links, and of course, my card at the bottom here. So let me just show you 1 second. Now, hold on, let me get out of preview mode. Okay, perfect. So if I wanted to change this picture, I could literally click on this and I can change the image by clicking here. Okay. If I wanted to change the RSVP button, I can click here and you can see here, I wrote mail to simona.karda@exprealty.com. My subject is objection handling and the body of the email is going to simply say yes. So I created this. So when they email me back, if they click this, all they have to do is click 2 buttons, yes and send. That's all they have to do, nothing else. I will get an email saying that the person who sent this email to me, the subject is objection handling, and yes, they want to attend. So I know in my calendar that I can go ahead and add them onto my RSVP list of them wanting to join. So this is just you know, an example of how you can use templates. Now, again, like I use templates a lot for agent attraction, but you know, you can obviously use templates for homes and properties that you're listing, and of course, pre-construction. So I'll show you that in just a second. Phone number, if you click here, you can see I've changed the action, like make a call. You can have open to a web page, send an email, make a call, send a text message, depending on what you want. So here I want them to just click the button and it will ring me. I know with iPhones, like if you get this email, you can do it directly through your phone. I'm not sure with Androids, but iPhones, like if you get an email like this and you click on the phone number, it directly calls them immediately. Follow with your social media links. Highly recommend that everyone should do this. You can change it up, the colors. I just like branding. I know people know what Facebook icon looks like, what Instagram looks like, but you can change it, look, you know, a little bit more modern and have the nice black and white if you like, completely up to you. And you can put in your links. So everybody has your Facebook link. So when they click on this, just like your website, on the very top, you have all your links there. You'd want to put the same links here. So that way, if they wanted to just kind of click on you and see what you're doing, what are you all about, your information will populate here. And you can add more if you like. These are the 4 that I'm mostly active on, but there's Pinterest, Twitter, there's other icons as well. So you can add all of them if you like. And then, of course, at the bottom, I just have, we love making people money. This is kind of like my footer, I guess you could say. So you can add your own footer or make it smaller, whatever you like. Your business card, anything, whatever you want to make, you can put it here. And you can also, remember, change the image by clicking this. Okay. So this is one that's already done. Let's get out of here for a second. And let me show you a text message. Okay, so these are all of the text messages that are in KV Core. Okay, now you can edit, you can clone them, you can add a new one by clicking add, and you can go to add text. You can call it whatever you like, and whatever text you want to write, you can put it in here. Once you hit add template, you can go back into your My Campaigns and add that into that campaign and remove one of them that you don't like. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Or you can, my husband just made me a coffee. Bless him. So you can do, whatever works best for you. I personally have changed a lot of the campaigns. I like to use my own verbiage. I'm a very different type of person. I'm very bubbly. I like it to be a little bit more interactive. So again, it's up to you how you want to use it, what words you want to use, but this is how you would do it by clicking here, text message, and click add template, and then put in whatever information you want to put in. You can even add the task of your call. Maybe you're just doing a sphere check-in. This is important to do, especially with, COVID and everything. You're just calling to check in on them. You can actually set a task for yourself to do this in KV Core. So when you do open up KV Core in the morning, your dashboard tells you, hey, Mona, this is what you have to do today. These are all the things that you need to do. This is like next level being organized. It's important to do this. Your database is your money. This is where you're going to be, making all your sales, or, attracting agents, whatever is working best for you. So let's go back to email for a second, and I'm going to show you one that I did for pre-construction here. I'm going to just click on edit. So this was like Nouveau condominiums. They were a new build for pre-construction. So I put in here the header. Oops, there we go. I put in the information here for like straight from their information that they provided to me. So I used that here, attention buyers, investors, wrote a little bit about them, why it's great, smart living, city living, modern bold. And then I wrote exclusive package, please RSVP if interested. I click here, they'll get the brochure. I uploaded the brochure and take them to the website of where the brochure is. Price list, maybe you have it set up in your Google Drive. You can have them go to your Google Drive if they click price list, corner series price list, depending on like what you want to put here, like what do you want to show them. And then again, the same stuff at the bottom, your phone number, your social medias, and your header. Once you do 1 or 2 of these, you literally just have to clone them and you just change it up. So if another pre-construction comes along, you're going to put their header here, change a little bit of the saying here, so that it targets them a bit more. I'm not saying this is the best. I did this one really quickly, but take some time, play around with it. Put in the brochures, the price list. Maybe schools nearby, like whatever you think that your buyers are interested in knowing about that property. But literally, you would just do it once. And then you would just keep cloning it. Clone, clone, clone. Once you clone it, change the name. So let's say, for example, I clone this. Okay, so this is the clone version. I would want to change the name here. Okay, so subject I want to change, and of course the template. I write for my templates, I always write my first and last name first, just because there's so many templates and I don't know how to find them. So for me, I just put in my first and last name, and then I put in the template name. So here, you can see it says copy because I just cloned it. Go ahead and change it to whatever name you're using for your next template. So let's just cancel because I'm not going to clone that. If you want to create one, okay, let's say we wanted to create an email. So let's go to add template, and we're going to go to email. Okay. Template name. So, your first and last name, and then whatever it is that you're going to do. So, I'm not even sure what we should do today, but we can always continue something for next week. Let's say, so we're going to go to advanced editor. Okay. Yes, please. Once you're in advanced editor, it's going to pull up like this. Here, you can go ahead and put in your picture. Maybe you're going to do your social medias, whatever. So kind of picture what you want it to look like. So this is a great way what KV Core has done here. If you click on rows, you can say, well, I want the top to have my picture. I want the middle section maybe to be just some more information. Then I might want to add a video, some other information. Maybe I want it to look like this. You can just go ahead and pick whatever you like. There's nothing wrong. We're just playing around with this. At the bottom, you want to have your icons. So let's go, oops. Let's go here, back to the top one, and click here. Now you're going to go to content, and you're going to say the top one's going to have an image. Okay, so your image is going to go there. The second one, maybe you're going to put some text in here so people know what you're talking about. And then in these rows here, we're going to do, let's say, a video. And maybe, because, a lot of these pre-constructions have videos and stuff too. So you can always put a video in there. Or if you're doing agent attraction, you can do a video of yourself and put yourself there. And some information on text there. Then let's say we want to do some images, nice images of your property. Okay, some more images. And where are we at the bottom? Now at the bottom, we're going to do our social. Okay. And we also said that we wanted to do a picture at the bottom as well. So we're going to go ahead and click there. And we're going to make that one our footer, I guess. Okay. Now this is kind of what it's going to look like. If you don't like the way it looks, if you decide that I want to change it around, you literally just click right here, and the little trash can is there. Okay. Or you can add something by clicking something else in here. You can, you want to add a picture, you just go to browse, and your pictures will populate. Now, these are pictures that I have uploaded into KV Core. As you can see, you can upload your pictures as well. If you want to search for photos, you can search for photos in KV Core. So see, so interior, this is what populates some nice pictures of homes. You can pick something from here if you like, and then there's pages and pages and pages of pictures. So depending on how and what you want to use, but let me just get out of there for a second. And let me X out of here for a sec too. So that's what you can do. If you have pictures of on your own computer, you can just drag and drop or browse, drag and drop from your library of pictures and just post them into here, or even the video, you can just drag and drop here as well. The social medias, again, this is where the links would go in here. So, if you go, sorry, one second. Customize your columns. Oh, yeah, you can customize your columns as well on how you want to use it. You can add more here if you want. If you don't want it, you can delete that. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. I deleted the whole thing now. But anyways, that's how you go about doing that. And I can touch base a little bit more on how to do one on one session if everybody likes. That's not a problem. But today was really about ad campaigns and templates. So I just wanted to show you that this is how you can do this. This is how you can create text messages just literally by clicking add template. Into the KV Core library, you can pick whichever one you like, add that campaign to your Smart CRM. Now, how would you add that? So let's go to Smart CRM for a second. And let's pick add contact. So let's say I'm putting in someone's information in here. You will see here, Smart Campaign. What campaign do you want to use? So for me, the ones that are clicked on, remember you have to click them on, the campaigns. The ones that I have clicked on is just listed Mississauga and just listed Oakville. But if you have a few on that's listed, then you, or sorry, clicked on, then you would probably have more under the drop down box here. But you can go ahead and click that. So you know that when that lead comes in, they're going to be a part of the just listed Mississauga. Okay, so that they're going to follow that campaign, and that campaign is going to tell you what you need to do or what the system is going to do for you because you've set it up in that sequence and the way that you want it to be done. Let me see here. So back to marketing smart campaigns. You can search here. You can change up the columns, okay? If you don't want it to be seen like this and you want it to have less, you can change up what the view looks like here. KV Core library and the template. So it's not really rocket science or anything, but it is time consuming. You do need to take some time and kind of read through them, which ones you like, which ones you don't like, which ones you want to add, how you want to change it up. You can, add your own campaign as well. So if you're under my campaign, you can click add campaign. Okay, you can add, when a lead is new, if a lead is being transferred, if it's been a hashtag, you can add triggers to it. Design for who is it designed for? So let's say it's a new lead. Where did the new lead come from? The new lead was a manual ad. Okay, designed for just buyers. Set up your details, your campaign name, description, and then you can, of course, review and add more as you go step by step. So you can do this as well. Or like I said, you can literally just clone one, add it into your library, and then edit that version and change it up by adding what you like and deleting what you don't like. Okay, and then you just set that campaign up to your smart CRM. Okay, so I am going to share a listing today. Let's just pull it up here.
Looks like you're going to be clogging a lot of email boxes there with our campaigns.
Yeah, let me just pull up this property. This is from Sanjay's property. Let me see. Here we go, Sanjay Gupta. So this is his property that we're going to be promoting today. So everyone is welcome to share this on their social media. So 35 Bills Avenue, 1201. It's a condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 549 square feet, 560,000. Talks a little bit about the property here, the benefits of it. Sanjay, I'm not sure if he's on the call or not. If you are, you're welcome to open up your mic and tell us about this beautiful property. Very nicely done inside. Beautiful. Nice views, nice balcony. Beautiful kitchen, stainless steel. Stackable washer dryer. Very nice. Beautiful. So now we can go ahead and click where it says more actions, and we can go post to Facebook. Okay. While we're waiting for Facebook to open, we can go ahead and copy this, or you can change it, whatever you prefer. And yep, it's posted on our Facebook. We're going to go ahead and click here. What does it say to reach? I'm going to just stop right there. Okay, perfect. I'm going to hashtag my name, and I'm going to hashtag condos for sale. And I'm going to go ahead and post that onto my business page. And then at the bottom where it says post, I'm going to click post. Okay, there you go, done. Just took 1 second. We can also create a single squeeze page, if everybody remembers how to do that, through Lead Engine where it says build squeeze page. We're going to go to single squeeze page. We're going to click on the listing MLS number. The property is going to show up right here. Hashtag condo. And I'm just going to go generate link. Copy the link. Paste it. There you go. You've got your link. We're going to bookmark this link so that we can save it and maybe post it to our KV Core later. KV Core is great for marketing, guys. So there we go. We have that. So we've just done that literally in 2 steps on how to promote his property. So I am going to now open it up to questions, but just a little bit of homework that I would like everyone to do is on the left-hand side where it says playbooks. This is fantastic. It's a new feature. I was playing around with it just last week, and I really would love to show you how to use this. It's going to save a lot of time. It's got already the links set up for us for landing pages, squeeze pages, everything. You literally just have to copy and paste. So take some time and just kind of review the playbooks, and we'll work on that next week. So let me just stop sharing for a second.